Hello friends, in this short and quick video, I will show you how to fix error 2502 on Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on Start, open File Explorer. Now click on this local disk. Here guys, open this Windows folder. In this list guys, you will see a temp folder, this one. So right click on it, then click on properties. Now here click on this third tab, security. So select it, then click on advanced. Now guys, select your current user, then click on add. Now here select a principal, type here everyone. Now check names, then click on OK. Now give full control, so check this box, full control, then OK. Now click on apply. Guys, it will ask permissions, so you have to click on yes and close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can resolve and we can fix error 2502 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.